Wayan Fitriani from 6A class. Now, I would like to explain about multiple intelligences, especially kinesthetic intelligence. But before that, there are 8 multiple intelligences. They are linguistic, mathematic, visual and musical, kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist. And today I will explain one of them, which is kinesthetic intelligence. There are 3 main points that I will explain. They are the first one is the nature of kinesthetic intelligence, and the second one is the characteristic of kinesthetic intelligence, and the third one is the way the learners learn, which is related to the teaching young learners. Let's go to the nature of kinesthetic intelligence. The definition of kinesthetic intelligence relates to the learning through the feeling, such as a sense of body position and the movement of the body. There is a separation between body and mind. Kinesthetic intelligence is the ability to use one's body with great precision, helping to facilitate an implementation of our goals and personal objectives. Those with kinesthetic intelligence are able to use the body to move from intention to action. Some students and Talib 2014 states that kinesthetic intelligence is an ability to interact with someone's environment, and it will allow the individual to use the parts of the body to make something new and to solve the problem. In addition, according to McKenzie 2012, a site in Samsudin and Talib 2014, kinesthetic intelligence promotes an understanding through real experiences, which can include soft and gross motor tasks. Therefore, kinesthetic intelligence is a learning style where the learning takes place by the students, and it needs the body movement process new and difficult information. This intelligence will implement an informal science learning environment in order to provide learning experience that can promote and increase students' understanding of science, skill, and concept. Okay, the second one is the characteristic of kinesthetic intelligence. Kinesthetic intelligence has 6 characteristics. They are learned by doing, they never get bored, they learn skill better than concept, they are unlikely to forget what they have learned, they are better at innovating than implementing, and the last one is they make learning fun. They make fun learning for those around them, and I will explain one by one. The first one is learning by doing. The students will learn by doing something. In this intelligence, the teacher will invite students to do something to solve the problem or make something new. For the example, the teacher invites students to do dance because by dancing, students can move their body and learn how to do art. And the next one is they never get bored. In this intelligence, they never get bored because we knew that young learners are like to do the game and the activity given such as walk around, mingle game, and etc. Not like they giving the materials or concept, they will get bored easily. And the next one is they learn skills better than concept. Of course, in this intelligence, they will learn more skill than concept, and it will be better because they can practice it directly. As I said before, this intelligence is about the use part of the body. And the next one is they are better at innovating than implementing. In this intelligence, the learners are better innovating than implementing. They will innovate and make change in the something. And the last character is they make fun learning for those around them. The learners will be learning funny because they can move their body around the class. And the last one is the way the learner learns, which is related to the teaching young learners. The first one is creating customs for role play, skit, or simulation. Creating customs, it means that the teacher will give one of folktale, and the students will read, and the teacher will give one character of the folktale for one student, and then they will make customs by using cardboard, and after that they will wear the customs that they made. And the next one is performing skits or acting out scenes from books or historical events. As I said before, the teacher will give stories through books and ask them to perform the roles that has been given. And the next one is playing games like Twister and Simon Says. Of course, the young learners will be like play game such as Twister and Simon Says. The teacher will invite students to do the game. And the next one is using carrots to act out characters in a book, vocabulary, words, animals, or others contents or topic area. It is quite same as I said before. They will play and act the character that they get. And the next one is acting out concept. For the example, the material is a planet. The teacher will invite students to become a planet and a sun. One student will become a sun and the other student will become a planet. One student who becomes suns will stay in the centers of the class, and then the other student will stay around the students who become a sun, and the students who becomes a planet will stay and make circle around the sun. And the last one is participating in movement breaks during the day. Is it the activity that usually do by the learners? They will uh, do the activity when uh, they with their friends and with others friends in the class during the day. Okay, I think those are my explanation about kinesthetic intelligence. I hope you guys understand about my explanation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.